Hey folks, Jay Grams here again from the Volo Auto Museum. Got another great car I want to show you today. You can go to volocars.com and get all the specs and the pricing. We have this and a couple hundred other cars for sale. But right now we're going to spin this thing around, show you the car inside and out, and we're going to start it up too. This has got a big block, power steering, power disc brakes, overdrive transmission, 12-volt rear end, new vintage air conditioning system. So it's got a lot to offer, and it's a slick looking machine too. So it's from Alabama. The floors are dry as can be. The car is really straight. All along the bottoms are real nice and clean. You can see it's a beautiful glossy finish. Convertible top looks like it's brand new. All the trim is nice and bright. Great looking wheels. Now I inspected, they put a full quarter panel on, so a full replacement panel at the factory seams on that side. This side's the original quarter panel. We're going to pop the trunk in a little bit, but the trunk floor clean as can be. Looking down the sides, it's straight. The gaps are all real nice around the doors. It's got the bow tie mirrors, new door handles, new window fuzzy strips in here. Chrome's nice. Now if I mentioned, I got this one out of Alabama. That's why it's so dry. It's got the SS hood. Under the hood here we got 396 aluminum intake. They said a new air conditioning system, heat and air system. It's got power steering, power brakes. They're disc in front. Aluminum radiator to keep it cool. Inside the car, bucket seats, console. Looks like the upholstery, door panels, armrests, dash pad. It's all been replaced. Has some aftermarket gauges down below the dash. A walnut steering wheel. The jambs are really nice, slick jambs. The bottom of the doors, the metal, the seam is really clean. Looks like the weather strips all replaced. I was in here a minute ago, lifted the mat, and again the trunk floor is clean, no patches, no fiberglass, nothing like that. It does have a spare gloss paint all through here. Nice clean seams, new weather strip. This is real nice and clean, new sill plates. Oh, it's a tilt wheel too. Let's start this thing up. It's got the vintage air heater controls too, so they're electronic instead of cables. Wow, that sounds nice. Has a nice smooth idle. You give it a little gas out and it sounds like a muscle car. The rear view mirror looks new. The headliner and visors have been replaced. The overhead light works. It's got twin electric fans. It's got headers. That motor runs real nice. And it's cold. We pulled this car in here yesterday, so it's not even warmed up. Let's take a look at how sharp looking that car is. Them wheels really make it pop. You go to our website, volocars.com. Again, you'll get all the specs, the pricing, photos up underneath the car. It's got some Hotchkiss improvements in back, sway bar, tubular control arms. The front end is all rebuilt, new ball joints. Knobs on the dash look like they're new. So there you have it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're putting multiple cars on there a day, some really great stuff. And do visit our website. Everything we have is for sale. I'll get out of the way, let you admire this beautiful car.